Hello class 7 students. So in today's video we are going to discuss some of the short answer type questions from the chapter acids, bases and salts. So let's begin then. The first question, what is an indicator? Name 3 indicators. Okay, and the answer is, you see, an indicator is a dye that changes color when it is put into an acid or a base. Basically indicators are what? Indicators are a dye that can change the color when it is dipped or when it is put in an acidic or basic solution. Okay, it will change its color, and then only we can determine that the given substance is acidic or basic substance. Okay, and the three indicators are litmus, china rose and turmeric. Next question, what is a salt? Now what you learned about neutralization reaction? During the neutralization reaction, acids and bases react with each other to produce salt and water. Salt is a substance formed by the reaction of an acid with a base. Okay. Next question, the soil in a field is highly acidic. The soil in a particular field is highly acidic. Name 2 materials which can be added to the soil to reduce the acidity. Basically you have to name 2 materials which has to be added to this acidic soil to reduce the acidity. Okay, give reason for your choice. You need to give the reason also why you will add the 2 materials. Okay, basically here the soil is too acidic, so to neutralize or to reduce the acidity we have to add what? We have to add base. So what are the 2 bases? 2 materials which can be added to the soil to reduce the acidity are quicklime and slaked lime. Okay, quicklime, that is calcium oxide. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide and the chemical name of slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Okay, you can add either quicklime or you can add either slaked lime. Clear? And why you have to add this too? Because quicklime and slaked lime, that is quicklime calcium oxide and slaked lime is what? Calcium hydroxide, are bases which neutralizes the excess of acid present in the soil and reduce its acidic nature. Okay, the acidic nature of this soil will be reduced or will be neutralized by the bases, that is quicklime and slaked lime. Okay, clear? Next question, question number 4. What material should be added to a soil which is too basic? Now the opposite question. Okay, if the soil is too basic, what type of material or what material you have to add, and how does this material help in reducing the basic nature of the soil? How? Answer is, you see since the soil is basic in nature, right? Okay, soil is basic in nature, so you have to add what? Acid. But generally directly you cannot add acid. You have to add what? Decaying organic matter, or say manure or compost, which will release acidic substances. Okay, this if the soil is too basic, then this decaying organic matter, also called as what? Manure or fertilizers, manure or compost. Okay, these will release acids which can neutralize the excess bases present in the soil, and then it reduces its basic nature. Okay, so the decaying organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the excess bases present in the soil and reduce its basic nature. Clear? So these are only the 4 questions which we have discussed. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss some of the long answer type questions. Okay, clear? So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.